Welcome back to another day in the life of a videographer and photographer. I'm preparing for an event shoot tomorrow, and I'm shooting both event photography, event videography, and your girl is also gonna have a headshot station, which is super cool. So I'm so glad that my client decided to have this. I feel like that's so cool for attendees to be able to have their own headshot. I also had to pick up a black long sleeve because it doesn't make sense how I don't have a black long sleeve. The attire tomorrow for like all vendors and everybody, full black attire. And I didn't want to wear a black short sleeve because I get cold easily.
Got all my equipment packed up in the back, and then I also have a bunch of other equipment in the trunks, like my light stands and everything. But it's time to head to the shoot. It's currently 9:30 a.m. I have to be there for 11 a.m. to do setup, so I have to set up the headshot station area.